Alright guys, so we got a Edelbrock ProFlow 4 system on 460 on the dyno right now. Give you a quick little intro here. So as for the advanced timing, power that up. Connected. Advanced timing, we can obviously change around air-fuel ratios. The kind of accelerator pump shot. I've been playing with this a little bit. It's a little rich there. Fan control, fuel modifiers, idle tuning, cold start enrichment, your base timing adjustment. There's your spark control, idle spark 15, advanced starts at 1200, total spark 32, all in at 3500. We get your rev limiter setting here. Basically your crank fuel, this thing fires up no problem, even cold, so I'm okay there. Over here we get our gauge display. It's pretty much preset. You got vacuum coolant, your short fuel trim percentage, air fuel, and your target down here. I've been using this one. You kind of have a little bit of everything. Another one down here. A little more analog. You got 4 to choose from. That's kind of neat. So I'll flash this thing up and do a pull and maybe make a change and see how she goes. About 463 range. Make it 520 torque. This thing's going in a truck, so kind of wanted to keep the low end torque. timing change. Go back to home, advanced settings, spark control. We'll go 34 degrees. And we'll do another pull. Made 523 torque, 465 horse that time. Replay that run. Holds torque real nice up to 5,000, it's over 500. Real happy with the system. So I'll keep you posted on